All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to go ahead and go over how to share a link in Fusion 360 for a design part or for an assembly or even a drawing on a Chromebook. So clicking in the data panel and sharing from there doesn't seem like you can actually copy the URL. So instead what we do is we'll go ahead and we click on Open in the Web. There's an icon at the top of the data panel, this little globe with lines and an eyeball. When you click on that, then that's going to launch the Fusion 360 site. On the Fusion 360 site, you're going to have your all of your files, the same files that were in the actual application, so assembly, blue part, etc. Now I can see that assembly, blue part, and so on. So with those, if you look, there is an icon of a little check mark on the right hand side. When you hover over it, that's what you're going to click on. So in this case, I'm going to go to the red part, click on the drop down, then go to share. When I click share, it pops up with this window. If you need to, you can click the button on and off. That was a mistake in this case. Let's go back. And then I want to turn that back on. So red part, share. If it's not on, you can go ahead and share it. Otherwise, then click copy. If you want to allow them to download it, you can, or you can not have them download by clicking this. Up to you. And then go ahead and click copy, close, and now you go back to your engineering notebook. Underneath your drawing, you can go ahead and paste that link. Control v, or Alt V, or Control V or Alt click to get the paste menu like that, and then click paste. And then you're good to go. If you hit the space bar, it'll actually turn into a link afterwards, and then when we hover over it, it gives us that link option. That's it. Have a good day.